Hello beautiful people, welcome to another edition of the California Walking Tour. Today we're going to Irvine Spectrum and Newport Beach. We are in Irvine Spectrum and Capital Dimsum and Seafood bar. That's where we had lunch with some of my college friends. They're down there now enjoying great weather in Irvine on January early afternoon. And I used to live around here. There was nothing around here other than open fields. Now there's even a Ferris wheel, all sorts of amusement parks and theater. Kind of nice. Ah, there they are. Say hello. We're here at the Hello Kitty Cafe. I guess. There's Nona and Lisa and Marvin's taking a picture of them. But there's a long line of people waiting to get in, so we're not gonna go in. I think this is an outdoor skating rink, and you can see the remains of ice. It's melting. Oh, it's now a fountain. And there's another view of the Ferris wheel. There's a lot of shops. It's kind of neat. It's right next to the theater, Improv, Barnes and Noble, American Eagle, and players. And I wish they had this place when I was going to school. I went to school around here, but that was what, 1990, like 30 years ago. Dave and Buster's. The theaters over here. Giant Wheel, Old Navy. There's my friends. Capital Cafe. And Chocolate Dash. Tiffany Hunter Home. Barnes and Noble. Yogurt Land. Nice open space. Very nice. I think we're gonna walk some more. These trees that look like bananas. They're called giant birds of paradise. We used to have a lot of those in San Francisco. Oh, some pretzels. Lots of pretzels. And 50% off. UCLA Bruins. Hollister. I guess it's clothing stores. Chocolate Factory. No. Garage. I think I need to walk slowly. Foot Locker. Oh, these are called Canariensis. Canary Island date palms. Phoenix Canariensis. Oh, look at this. Another fountain. Cool. Look at this nice fountain with lions. Those kids are looking around. We're going to keep walking to the other side now. This is really neat. I like this place. Here's another fountain. They have a lot of fountains here. And here's the Regal. I think it's IMAX. It's not the same as Regal Productions in the Philippines with Mother Lily Monteverde. I don't know, is she still alive? Anyway, there's California Pizza Kitchen Improv over here. Thunder Breeze. Oh, sprinkles behind this water fountain. Oh, that's cool. This is really cool. Maybe I should zoom out. Here we go. I think they went to Starbucks, so I'm gonna go there and follow them. So we're at Starbucks. I think we're gonna get something, or somebody's gonna get something. I don't really drink coffee, so I'm just like, and I'm so full right now. Maybe I'll get a dessert. We are here in Newport Beach, and since this is a weekend, it's kind of busy, and there's my friends Marvin, Nona, and Lisa, and then we park over there. So there's the Newport Beach Pier, and there's some shops over there. Okay, and we're gonna stay here until sunset. Hopefully we get a good view of the sunset today. So we're here on the main drag of Newport Beach. We have some shops over there, and there's that statue of Ben Carson again. Yeah, we're just waiting for our friends. We're gonna go take a walk along the pier over there, and hopefully we can get some pictures of the sunset. It's still a little early. Pretty nice weather for a January afternoon. I'm still here at the Marina. Oh, there's the lighthouse up there. I guess the lighthouse serves as a guide for boats. And that's it. I wonder if you can go. Can we go up there? You think we can go up there? We're sort of on top of one of the lights. Not quite on top, but there's a viewing area here from the... Okay, thank you. Here, say hello to our viewers. Hi viewers.
Hello.
That's Nona and that's Lisa. And we're up. I'm just going around the lighthouse right now. And we are in the almost halfway up the smaller lighthouse, and there's a bigger one over there right next to the harbor master building. And almost all around the lighthouse now. And we're back here. It's going on to the slide. Oh, there she goes down there. Oh, my golly. She's down there. She's down there. Are you okay? I think she's okay. I'm taking a video of the sun as it's trying to set. It's really nice. Cool. Because of the cloud formation. Nice effect. Very, very cool. And with that lifeguard station there, right on the beach, and then the water behind it, and then the sun and the clouds. I don't know. I think it's really cool. What do you guys think? Oh wow, that's really cool. Very, very cool. Oops, there's some people crossing. Wow. Wow. So we're walking along the pier now, hoping to catch the sunset. I think we're about 3 minutes from touchdown, so I apologize if it's a little... Okay, now it's Oh, look at the sand, like sand painting that those people are doing. That's really cool. Huh. So that's what you become when you hang out too much at the beach. That's really cool. And that's really good. There's some surfers there, and there's the sunset. We're gonna try and walk further. The sun technically is not setting yet, but it's getting behind those mountains. I think there's an island system there. I can guess right now. It's either the Channel Islands or that's not Catalina Island. I don't know. I will look it up later. But so we're not going to see actual sunset. Those islands are going to hide the sun before the actual sunset. So I'm doing the video now as it tries to hide behind that island. And it's going down slowly, slowly, slowly. And because this is not supposed to happen till 5:08 p.m. It's just slightly earlier than expected because of those islands. But there it is. It's almost halfway behind. Oh, look at that. There's a what is that? A boat, a sailboat. No, it's a boat. Oops. Uh-oh, it's getting blurry. Oh, it's getting behind now. There, it's gone. It's almost gone. Goodbye, sun.